Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Morgan Plus 4. The casting is by Matchbox, and if I'm not wrong, it was new for 2024. Well, I couldn't find one at that time, but I found one recently. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Morgan Plus 4 out of its box. For those who don't know, Morgan is a small British company which still makes cars which look old. They do have modern tech in them, most of them. Still misses on a lot of stuff though. But there's like a small sports car and they look cool. So let's start with this one. First thing you will notice is this blue paint, which looks very classic, old school. Wheels, since we are on the side, again, they look like those older wheels, older racing wheels. So they look alright here, they don't look bad. If you see the body shape here, you can see how like classic looking it is, like those older cars. Long hood, short rear overhang. Even if you see it's like old school, looks really cool, huh? Let's start from the front. Up front, you've got nice details. You got detailed headlamp, turn indicator, Morgan written on the number plate, detailed lower grille, and also number 4 on the grille. Also, you got this Morgan badge right there, and if you see, it's got that old style long hood, and which opens on this side. I mean, this whole side looks so good. I think these were made on aluminum frames. Earlier one were like wooden frames, like they used wood in the frame, but that was like a long time ago, I guess. Now let's go to the driver's side. Some of the details you can see here is the small door. I think those are removable. You can remove doors or windows. Something is removable. Can't remember. You can see this grill on the side. Windshield with visors there. Interior is done in beige. I think the dash and other stuff on the original cars are more like wooden and aluminum kind of stuff, but then they can't do all that on Hot Wheels, right? But again, good details, like if you look closely, you can see steering and stuff. Gear lever, handbrakes, good details there. Coming to the back, again, nice details. You can see tail lamp is detailed, the turn indicators are detailed. Again, on the back, you've got the Morgan written on the number plate. If you look, you can see the twin exhaust down there, and also Morgan logo here. Plus 4 written on the side, and a fuel filler cap right here. So good details overall on that. So if you are a fan of British cars, or even like cars that look old school, you're gonna love this casting, especially when Matchbox has done such a great job with details. And I think it's a really good casting. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.